Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And for this video, I'd like to do is to give you all some tips and tricks on how to write a day spa business plan. And this is a part 2 segment. All right, let's go ahead and dive right into it. Real quick, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me, text, send me, email. I would be delighted to help y'all with your business plan. I am also a business mentor as well as a business consultant. So my services range anywhere from helping y'all understand your financials to strategic planning, executing those strategic plans to optimizing your operations, all those wonderful things that a business consultant and a business mentor does, I do. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you all have your business plan ready to go, but you need those pesky financial projections done, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to assist. And with that said, let's dive right back into it. And for tip number one, what y'all want to do is you want to have a nice, clean, crisp, a title page, but you want to be able also to convey your message about your business. So, for example, when I create my title pages, I like to put the name of the company up top. So, whatever your company date, your day spa company name is going to be, make sure to put it up top. Underneath of it, I like to put the logo. It's going to add a little bit of color, a little bit of flair, a little bit of flavor to your title page. And then finally, at the bottom, you want to go ahead and explicitly tell the reader what document they're actually looking at, thus the need for a business plan at the bottom. So when you follow this structure, you're going to be able to give a nice, clean presentation, but also inform the reader about, the nuts and bolts of, what your company is. It's a day spa. Here's a nice, pretty logo. And then again, explicitly stating that it's a business plan. Tip number two is focus on the executive summary. I love the executive summary because this is where you are able to quickly and succinctly tell the reader what your organization is about, what you're going to do, and how you're going to do it, services you're going to be providing, and you're able to accomplish that right here in your day spa summary. Next, you're able to convey on who is going to be your target audience, who is going to use your services the most, and again, you can go ahead and you can accomplish that task under your target market segment. And then next is going to be is you want to tell the reader how much revenues you're expecting to make, what your costs are going to be, and then most importantly, what do you anticipate your net profits to be after the first year? And then finally, once you tell the reader, what you're doing and who your target market is and how much money you're going to make, you then want to go ahead and tell them how much money you need in order to get this party started. And when you're telling them how much money you need, make sure you also set your expectations or their expectations of the terms of which you're going to be borrowing if you're going to be taking out a loan, and then how you're going to be repaying those funds as well. So make sure you tell your story. Make sure you end it with how much money you need in order to have the story come to life, and then also, like I said, briefly get into the terms. Final tip is focused on your SWOT analysis. Specifically, have one in your business plan. But not only should you have one in your business plan and make sure that you're touching on your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities and threats, but make sure you understand how to properly create your SWOT analysis. For example, your strengths and weaknesses should be focused on the internal aspects of your business, whereas your opportunities and threats, those should be focused on your external aspects of your business. So that's your external environment. So when you go ahead and you include your strength analysis, your SWOT analysis, you're able to tell the reader, you've got a broad understanding of the competitive environment, both internally and externally. And then when you follow the structure, you're able to show them your strengths and weaknesses within the business. And then you're also able to convey your knowledge of your external environment through your opportunities and threats. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.